Hello, good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to other vlog. So today's plan is that we are going to do tiger safari. So it's called as Panna National Park here. It's just 30 kilometers from the center of Kajuraho or from the property which I am staying. Guys, the plan is not that clear because the reservation is not confirmed yet because it's a sudden plan. One of my hostel mates suggested that we'll go there. We know the place but it was expensive, so we thought of skipping it, but now in sharing it became budget, so we are going to make this trip. But the point is that there is no confirmation ticket, so after going there only we'll know the results. But don't worry, if you are not going to the tiger safari, we'll go to Kund river, which is also very famous. It's a falls, so you got a lot of water there. And by the way guys, the safari, if we are not doing it, you try to do it when you're here, because here you can spot a lot of tigers, and there are almost like 35 tigers here. So I think it's a very good place to spot tigers, see temples, waterfalls. There is so much in Kajuraho guys. This place is less explored, and most people don't know this place, but this is a very beautiful place guys. You got a lot of greenery, waterfalls, temples, and one place to go. So you almost only need like 3 to 4 days to explore the whole place. By the way, this is my 4th day and I'm still exploring and I still need time. So anyhow guys, after reaching there I'll update you about the plan, because the plan is not clear yet. So I'll catch you there. There is a change in the plan. We are not going for the safari because we could not find the tickets. So by the way guys, the plan for today is that we are camping. So now we stopped here for taking the food. So we are buying some fruits and we are buying some vegetables we are going to cook tonight. So I'll catch you in the campsite. Finally reached the spot. So the spot name is called as Brihaspati Kund, and it is like 70 kilometers from the place where we stay. So the light is fading away guys. Now we need to go and find a spot for the tent. Now we are going and searching a spot. So I think you have already enjoyed the beautiful drone shots guys. Here the sunsets are very beautiful. You should be here guys if you are a lover of sunset. And that's okay. Once we figure out the campsite, I'll talk to you again. By the way guys, you can see the whole route here. It's carved from the caves. So we are going all the way from this place and we'll camp somewhere there. So this is the plan as of now. I don't know how things will go. We need to find a good spot though.
You put your hand in your head.
Okay.
Okay, like this. You have to cover the black.
Okay.
Got it?
So guys, there are some tips to avoid bitings of honeybees. So somebody have disturbed these honeybees guys. So this, as you can see, they are roaming here and there. Oh. This is how you do adventure, bro.
भोले स्वकारी ओम जय शिव ओमकारा श्वेतांबर पीतांबर बादांबर अंगे स्वामी बादांबर अंगे ब्रह्मादिक सनिकादिक भूतादिक संगे ओम जय शिव ओमकारा कर के मादिक मंडल चा।
हम अंदर भी थोड़ा देख के आके फिर बैठेंगे।
हेलो भैया। आपका नाम?
राम कृपाल मिश्रा।
नमस्ते विनायक। So guys, this is the ashram, guys. As you can see, this is the Babaji. Namaskaram, Babaji. They are also growing some vegetables, guys, here. So they will pluck it from here and have fresh food. As you can see, some of them are already plucked.
They will arrange everything.
So uncle is here.
मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। के ही हैं सारे लोग, वो सब यहाँ पे करते हैं। ये सर है, इनका थोड़ा तबीयत रहते हैं, तो ये लोग आराम
करेंगे। So if you are unable to stay in the tent, or if you are afraid to stay in the tent, you can stay in this ashram. They also got a space, as you can see the rooms. So if you are that interested, you can stay in this ashram also. The name is called as Brihaspati Kund, right? So by now, if you have read some of our Hindu scripts, you would have heard this name, which is called as Brihaspati. So he did meditation here, and he also taught so many people how to do yoga. Before, this was a very great place for a yoga school, but now things changed, and in the modern ages, no more people come here. So however, we are here, guys. We don't want to stay here because we really want to experience, go there and do some camping. So we are going there because, you know, I like adventure. I like something which is offbeat. So we'll go there. Overall, guys, this place really feels very pleasant. I can really get the fresh air, and I can sense the calmness here. Obviously, the places which they have done meditation for longer periods, the place has a vibration, and I believe in it, and I can feel it.